previously on my channel. So guys, as you can see, this is one of my favorite vlogs. It's a picnic. It's a motherfucking picnic. Guys, just go and watch this vlog if you haven't, okay? It's just so amazing. It's just a lovely vlog. Enjoy and come back to this one, okay? Safety first. Sunshine, blue skies. Gotta cry. Hello, hi my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway guys, for those who don't know me, my name is peeps, the mother of the peeps, okay, the bigger cousin, okay, the sister, okay, so hiking. We're going to hiking slash mini picnic and chit chat, and stuff like that. We're gonna just relax, me and my friend, near the dam or whatever. If it's a dam or it's a river, I don't know, it's not a river, guys. But that we are going to do that. We are trying new things, guys. We are trying a new thing. And about our journey has started.
Period.
Somebody's breathing heavily already. That's me. Guys, I'm good. But we'll get there eventually. You know when you know where you're going? You will get there.
Quiet star.
Oh. We are.
Quiet star.
Cocaine. This is the cocaine, guys. For energy.
Quiet star.
Exactly. This is the
Quiet
cocaine.
star.
They told us to take this one while I'm saying we should take this one. Which is like, no, let's take this. What if Vali, what if lazy? Like, guys, you see, as long as we can see the duck. There's somebody who's fishing here. Guys, the last time we came here, the water was so blue as my bag. But now it is like green as snakes. Like, guys, I'm tired. Like, how much? You feel abused. Yeah, guys, this is our stop. We're just gonna have our picnic here. Yeah, because I will call like close, but like it's still far. Yeah, we're not gonna go. Guys, we're just gonna put this let's take it up, my love, my love.
She's back again on the channel. Okay. Yeah, mama ngasizovela faka ama-subtitles. Sokhuluma ngani namhlanje? Okay, I didn't agree to my friend did the whole reason came. So I'm gonna ask Sasha so many questions, like this sort of like a get to know me tag. The more Sasha is stuck like that, how did you start feeling? Because you know what? This is not my body. I'm just a ball, but I'm not a ball. I started finding out when you.
Hi guys, I'm really sorry to rudely interrupt while you were watching. I just wanted to clarify what we were doing and what we were talking about. So basically, we were making a YouTube video for Sasha's YouTube channel, and we were doing a Q&A. I was asking her questions and she was answering. So The full video will be on my description box, and the link of her YouTube channel will be on my description box. The topic that we were talking about, it's about her transgender journey, how she felt, how she came out. So it's a very nice and informative video. At the same time, she gives really cool advice. Check it out, please.
Everybody will tell you, oh my god, I adore you. You will act so strange.
Nang yan yung ralele, ipa na ni Wally.
Guys, I love
Is it hard in the day out?
Peace out.
Thank you for watching.